At this very moment, these short videos are racking up tens of millions of views and taking the internet by storm. And guess what? Creating them is an absolute breeze. In fact, in this video, I'm going to guide you through the entire process, and here's the best part: it won't cost you a dime. Chances are, you've stumbled upon these enchanting videos online. These videos are paired with stunning AI-generated images, making them more accessible to produce than ever before. The result? Channels are skyrocketing with millions upon millions of views, and the growth is nothing short of phenomenal. But before we dive into the magic of creating viral shorts, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our content gold. Now, it's time to unveil the simplest path to kickstart your very own faceless YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page. Check out this video right here, pulling in a whopping 33 million views and counting. It kicks off with a straightforward query: if you really know your girlfriend, which kitchen would she choose? Then, it unveils several images of kitchens, neatly numbered from 1 to 5. This winning structure is the hallmark of viral videos. And guess what? We're about to dive right in and craft our very own. Step 1. Automate with ChatGPT. Our first step is to write prompts for our AI image generator so that it can create these images for us. I'm going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT to effortlessly generate these prompts, saving you the hassle of manual input every time. This prompt is like our golden ticket. It instructs ChatGPT to fill out a template specifically designed to produce stunning images using an AI image generator. You will find my prompt in the description below. Lucky for you, all you need to do is to copy my prompt, as I've already done the hard work for you. This template is divided into 3 key parts. First up, we've got the type of room, and that's where you come in. You'll provide ChatGPT with the room you want to create, whether it's a bedroom or a kitchen or a bathroom. Secondly, we'll define the mood or ambience you'd like the room to exude, and finally, the interior design style. I've set it up so that ChatGPT will randomly generate 4 variations of this prompt based on the room you specify. After that, ChatGPT will generate the prompts that you can then use to feed into the AI image generator. Take a look at some of the prompts that it has come up with. Step 2. Video creation with Fleeky. Now, let's dive into the exciting process of actually producing these mesmerizing videos. For this, we'll be using a fantastic tool called Fleeky, which is an all-in-one solution that packs a punch. It combines a high-quality AI image generator, video editing capabilities, and even provides access to a treasure trove of stock footage. The best part? You can give it a spin for free. Find the link to this tool in the video description below, and if you're intrigued by what you see, use that link to kickstart your creative journey. Once you've logged in, select New File, give your project a catchy name, and hit Submit. Now, let's set up the essential parameters. Head over to the settings and ensure that the gap between scenes is set to 0, the aspect ratio is dialed in as portrait, and the fade effect between scenes is disabled. After making these adjustments, don't forget to click Save. With these basic settings in place, we're ready to roll. Every viral video kicks off with a captivating stock video that instantly grabs the viewer's attention. To add a video, click on the image icon, and here's a pro tip: many of these videos feature nature footage or something that is dark. So, let's search for night to find footage in this genre. Keep in mind that your goal is to select a video that has that wow factor, immediately captivating your audience's attention right from the start. Before we dive into the next step, I kindly request you to show your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that notification bell. Now, let's get back to it. Step 3. Add captivating text. Now, let's delve into the art of adding text to our video. It's a little bizarre, but these videos are gaining massive traction by starting with a rather bold question. Let's take some inspiration from this video, which has garnered over 3.6 million views. Taking a look again at the video that we were looking at before, it's asking, which bedroom will you and your BF/GF spend the night in? It's confrontational, to say the least, but it's a tactic that works wonders. So, for this example, let's roll with it and choose a bedroom. No need for a voiceover here, so I'll simply mute the voiceover volume. Next, I'll position the text dead center and switch the font to Lexend. This aligns perfectly with the style commonly used in these viral videos. To ensure all text is crystal clear, I'll set the display to full and eliminate the background color by sliding the opacity to the left. However, I still want a subtle shadow effect to enhance text readability, so I'll crank up the opacity of the shadow all the way to the right. Here's a clever little hack. I'll click on Apply to similar layers to make sure these settings stay consistent throughout the entire video. Now, let's expand our canvas by adding 4 additional scenes with a simple click on the plus icon. Since we're presenting a minimum of 4 unique bedroom styles, I'll assign labels ranging from 1 to 4 for these scenes. And to enhance visibility, I'll reposition these numbers to the top and center of the frame. Step 4. Add AI-generated images. Now, let's bring those AI-generated rooms to life. To do this, click on the image icon for the AI-generated images in the first scene and select Generate. Now, it's time to put our earlier ChatGPT groundwork to good use. Return to ChatGPT and copy that very first prompt it generated. Next, hop back over to Fleeky and paste that prompt right into Fleeky's text-to-image generator. Inside Fleeky, you'll find various image style options, and for these kinds of images, cinematic and photographic are your top contenders. Of course, don't hesitate to explore the others to find your personal favorite. Speaking from my own preference, I'm quite partial to those captivating cinematic vibes. Once you've settled on your preferred style, go ahead and hit that arrow to set Fleeky's creative wheels in motion. Should the image not meet your expectations, no worries, simply click Regenerate, and Fleeky will whip up a fresh one. Once you're satisfied with the result, you have the choice to either use this or opt for Contain to ensure the entire image remains within view. Now, on to the next one. Repeat the process for the remaining scenes. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, and paste it into Fleeky's AI image generator. Like magic, Fleeky will churn out another stunning image. Fantastic, right? Keep this momentum going for the remaining scenes. Step 5. Set the mood with music. Now, let's infuse our video with some captivating background music. Navigate to Background Audio and hit the Choose File button. You'll be greeted with an extensive library of music choices. Keep in mind that some tracks sport a locked icon, indicating they require a paid subscription. But don't worry, there's an abundance of free options at your disposal. If you're aiming for a rhythmic vibe, simply type beats into the search bar. Take a moment to sample a few tunes and discover the one that resonates with you the most. Once you've found your musical gem, a single click on the song title will seamlessly integrate it into your video, setting the perfect auditory backdrop. And there you have it, your masterpiece is complete. Just click on the download button to obtain your final version. Now, let's have a peek at the finished product. With your first video under your belt, the sky's the limit. You can keep the creative sparks flying by using ChatGPT to craft more videos. Simply switch things up, explore different rooms like a kitchen or bathroom, or venture into entirely new topics. Your imagination is your only boundary. Now that you've got the secrets to crafting viral shorts at your fingertips, what kind of captivating video will you create first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that'll supercharge your creativity and online presence.